Kasi ang birthday niya talaga is May 5. So, yun.
Cinco de Mayo.
It's Cinco de Mayo today. Clap your hands and shout, Ole! Ole! It's Cinco de Mayo today. Clap your hands and shout, Ole! Ole! It's Cinco de Mayo today.
Malikot, makulit. Start na talaga ng kanyang pagka-terrible too.
Siya yung tingin ko maging masunurin. Kasi isang salita ko lang, nakikinig. And then I think siya yung magtatanggol sa mga atin yung pag-ibig.
I love Matty because he plays with me. Happy birthday, Matty! We love you!
Ano siya, sobrang clingy niya sa akin. So, yun. Kasi siguro, yung bond namin is iba. Kaya, ganun. Sobrang clingy.
Yung pagdating ko, pag narinig niya na yung gate na mag-open na nandiyan na ako, sure yun, sasabihin niya, Daddy!
Daddy! Daddy!
Daddy! So, tatakbo na yan sa akin and then yayakap.
If I'm a sinner, then I don't feel ashamed. Life goes on, and if I'm wrong, I guess I'll burn in flames. Been up the river, and I've been down the drain. Life goes on, and if I'm wrong, I guess I'll burn in flames.
Sana lumaki kang mapagmahal at magalang, lalo na sa mga babae, like ni Daddy. Sana mas maging strong yung bonding niyo with your sisters at saka syempre in the future gusto ko pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo and be a good boy always.
Searching for a pocket full of
Let's all welcome, let's give a round of applause for our birthday celebrant, Matty! Palakpakan mo po guys!
a sinner, then I don't feel ashamed. Life goes on, and if I'm wrong, I guess I'll burn in flames. Been up the
Lord, thank you for this opportunity to gather together as family and friends to celebrate the life of Matty. Lord, I ask that you fill Matty with knowledge of your will, to all the wisdom and understanding that Spirit gives.
moon explodes and the sun goes.
Thank you for being in our life. We're happy that you are here to become our brother. And thank you for the joy that you give to me and Dithan and Mom and Dad.
Life will always go on.
We're very thankful kay God kasi binigay ko siya sa amin. Hindi expected pero you're here. Si Mom, ako, si Aris and si Ate ay tuwang-tuwa at very grateful, very blessed na binigay ka sa amin ni God. Forever namin tatanawin blessing yun. We will be forever grateful for that.
Burning flames. Been up the river, and I've been down the drain. Life goes on, and if I'm wrong, I guess I'll burn in flames.
Rika Chris, last na to. Utang na loob.
Lagi mong tatandaan, kahit anong mangyari, mahal na mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday, Matty! We love you!